what's up guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Daily. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a beauty blogger and YouTuber and I create content on this channel every Friday at 6 p.m. And if you'd like to show me your support, all that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down this video, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And this is a very doable look that I believe you would absolutely love it, and I feel really pretty in this outfit as well as this makeup combination. I really am enjoying this, except the fact that I really don't know how to maneuver this thing around. I have no idea how the Maharashtrian ladies eat or drink with this, and it's like completely resting on my upper lip, but it looks beautiful. I would just want to add that. And basically I just wanted to kickstart a 9 days of Navadurga Puja looks for either Garba, Dandiya, or if you're taking part for any Navratri special occasions. You can actually customize this look and have it your way. I really had a lot of fun creating this look. Without any further ado, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. To begin the makeup look, I'm going to be starting with priming my face, and I'm using the Sephora's Pore Primer, and this is the first time I'm using it, and so far I am liking it. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Total Drop Foundation as well as the all-new Sephora's Matte Foundation that I've just recently reviewed. If you'd like to see my full-on review, click on the eye right next to the top right-hand corner. And I'm buffing both the foundation in with a beauty blender type of sponge, and quickly moving on to the concealer. I'm using my ColourPop concealer. I have them in 3 different shades. They're not too varying of colors, but more so on undertones. I'm taking the one that is closest to my skin color right beneath my eyes, and a lighter color just beneath it, just so that I can brighten up my under eye. Of course, to set the under eye concealer, I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pause in pressed version. This is translucent. I'm powdering down wherever I feel like I get a lot of surface shine, and then moving on to powdering the rest of my face to set it down. To do a little bit of contouring, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I believe this is the light to medium shade, and I'm taking the darkest shade from the palette, and I'm just moving the contour just slightly above where I usually would contour, because I feel like this kind of looks better in pictures. And right now I'm moving on to filling in my eyebrows. I'm using the IT Brow Power Pencil. This is in the shade Universal Taupe. For the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the ColourPop's Yes Please eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the first lightest shade for an overall wash of color. Moving on to a red-like brown type of color, I'm just going to be concentrating the color on my crease area and bringing whatever that's left on the brush on my lower lash line. To deepen up the color, I'm taking the darkest color from the palette, and I'm just deepening just ever so lightly beneath where I've placed the 2 initial colors. And I'm building the color by using outward strokes and making the eye shape look a bit wider. And moving back to the other shade that I've just placed in my crease to blend the color out nicely. For a seamless blend, I'm going over the shadows that I've actually put on with a clean blending brush. Moving on to the inner corner highlight, I'm taking a densely packed brush. I'm picking up a little bit of that goldy shimmer shade, and I'm placing it wherever I did not place any eyeshadow, and bringing the color slightly onto my inner thirds of my lower lash line. Here I'm just going back to build the intensity wherever I felt like I lost some color. Any Indian look will not be complete, at least for me, that is, I'm going to be doing a nice amount of thick eyeliner for my lash line, and I'm building a wing also ever so slightly because Once we have that, we're going to be moving on to applying a few coats of mascara. So for a little bit of twist, I'm going to be using a gold type of eyeliner, and I'm going to be just drawing the gold color just across the crease for somewhat like a definition when I blink my eyes. It's not exactly a cut crease, just above where the folds of my eyes meet, and that's it. I'm just going to be joining the line towards the outer part of my wing and moving on to my lips. I'm just lining it slightly with a darker lip pencil that has a lot of brown in it, and filling the rest of the lip line with Buttercup, if I'm not wrong, from Direct Cosmetics. And my newest obsession of highlighter, this is from Sephora. It's only $25 or $27, guys, and this is the final look. I really hope you enjoy watching this first day one Shailaputri inspired makeup look. Yo, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your family and friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It will just take a quick minute, and please extend your kindness and support to my channel. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it as well, just so that you will be updated and notified for new video uploads going up on my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys!